fingerprint sensor solution. So this is an optical fingerprint sensor that is underneath the screen glass and works right here, all in the software here. Let's just go ahead and train a thumbprint. And so the way this is working is that the sensor is underneath the screen glass and illuminates from underneath using an OLED panel. So it only works with OLED screens right now because of that limitation. But that's not too big of an issue considering how much of the market uses these. And as we adjust here, you can see that it takes a moment. And this is, of course, all determined by the software and the way that it wants to train on top of the sensor. The sensor just provides the basic information. And so we're registered successfully there. And I'm going to go ahead and lock. And you see that it's defined right in this little bottom area. Put the thumb on there. They're quoting a 0.7 second recognition time.